Today I show you an unboxing of the Silvercrest basic smart tag finder that works with Apple Find My network. This is a big deal. This smart tag works with the Apple network, so you don't need a separate app. You don't need a separate app. It just works with the Apple system, and I bought two. To compare this with the Apple AirTag, I paid for it. I paid for the Apple AirTag 29 euro, 30 euro, and this was 12 euro for one pack of 3. So that's a pretty good deal. Like this, for 12 euro, it was 12 euro for one pack like this. So that's 4 euro for each smart tag finder. That's 4 euro for each Apple AirTag replacement. It really does work with the Find My app. I tried it in the shop before buying it. I bought this from Lidl. So they are the same, so I'll just open the first one. It's the same thing. I bought two because I thought it's really 24 euro for 6 AirTag replacements. It's nice to have them on keys, to have them inside any bag, all the bags in the car, anywhere. It's a nice option. And it's working with Bluetooth. It might not be as good as the new AirTags that will be released by Apple. The new AirTags will be probably as far as even 100 meters from the ultra-wideband. Using the ultra-wideband in the Apple AirTags in the new models that are soon to be released, I believe, those will be much longer distance, but these ones are using Bluetooth. I'm not sure exactly the technology for AirTags, but they do work really well, and you need an iPhone nearby to find the location. So they can be found on the map on GPS, and when you're nearby within 10 meters, you can use the Apple Find My network app to relocate the keys or bag or whatever you have. So it does work with the Apple Find My network. 3 years warranty. It uses Bluetooth. So it's probably not gonna be as good as the Apple AirTag. For the range might be lower than the Apple AirTag. The range on these will be probably less than the Apple AirTag, and especially less than the new Apple AirTag that are going to be released, which I understood it's gonna be like 100 meters within if you're within range of 100 meters to 100 meters to the next iPhone. This is 10 meters to the next iPhone. So an iPhone has to be within 10 meters of this to register it on the map. That's how it works. At least that's how I think it works. So this is the barcode here. And the smart tag finder, easily access to your valuables. It really works with the Apple Find My app. You can attach it to keys. It has a nice option for, even it has a little lanyard, which I will probably use on the Victorinox pocket knives. It's 3 pieces inside, and it also includes the battery CR2032. Keep this away from children. Keep this away from children. These batteries are dangerous if swollen. They are compatible with Apple iPhone or iPad with iOS 14.5 and above. Bluetooth range 10 meters, indoor and outdoor, so probably less than 10 meters indoors if you're in another room. Bluetooth version 5.4 and standby time 8 months. This is also kind of a not so great thing. The AirTags would have, from what I understand, a longer battery life, but I will probably modify one of these to make it a custom AirTag in the car. Contains battle scent batteries that could be swallowed. So this warning, make sure you understand this. Don't keep this near children. And you have a warning: keep out of reach of children. So the battery is a problem here. The battery is included, 3 pieces CR2032. It's made by OWIM. It shows like this in Apple Find My network, where you look at information about the item, the smart tag HG12823 version 0125. So it's made in 2025. Okay. I think it's time to open it. So I'll open it. I will get my unboxing knife, the Victorinox Farmer X. I like this. It's the unboxing tool for me. Okay, so the seal is okay. The seal is okay also. And the other one also, seal is okay. And seal is also okay on this side. I'm not sure if I really need 2 boxes, but probably I'll keep both of them because you can put these things everywhere. So let's see what's inside the box. Okay. Okay, so we have some paperwork and some other things there. Let's see what's this information here. This is how it's gonna show in the Find My Network when you add the device. SST S3A1, that's the name of the device. It's good to know that. Quick start guide. I'll just go through these pages quickly, so it's not too boring. This one is finished. Okay, and this one. So the battery is 3 volts and the maximum transmitting power is 1. The maximum transmitted power is 10 milliwatts or microwatts. I think it's milliwatts. Frequency band. Eight months battery life. Range 10 meters, which is not much, and it's very small. I don't think it's waterproof. So before you use it the first time, you have to remove this plastic strip. That piece of plastic is actually preventing the battery from making contact, so it doesn't work while it's in the pack. These are the connection instructions, pretty good. You have to use other item. The lanyard, it's a nice option to carry. You can add it to keys also. Okay, warranty information. And this is the service information made by the OWIM. They make some nice tools, screwdrivers. Pretty nice. I don't know exactly who they are, but yeah. They make products for the Lidl, for the supermarkets. And it's pretty good quality. It's actually silicone. I thought it would be some kind of, it's elastic. I don't know if I like them. Not sure if I like these things. They are a bit rubbery, so I think they could break, but maybe no. I don't know. But maybe it's good in a way. Maybe it's good in a way that they are flexible, so you can really put it on something and it's really flexible. But this side is not flexible, at least. This is a lanyard. It doesn't scratch things, so that's good. I could put this on some things, but maybe I wouldn't use it. I think I will attach it to things directly to the keys, and the other ones, they will just be in the bag somewhere. But it's nice to have some extra options. Let's see these things. Okay, so I think that's it. There is nothing else there. And whoa, interesting packing. Okay, so I'll get the Apple AirTag just to compare it. So I have it in a small plastic bag. So this is the Apple AirTag. This is how I keep it in my bag. I keep it like this in the bag. This is the original Apple AirTag. And to compare the size, I'll take one. I'll take them out. Okay, so they are a bit square, but I think they are not as bulky as the AirTag. So this could go in a wallet. Okay, one more, and the rest is just a piece of paper. So you have basically the lanyards, these silicone lanyards, which you could easily install like this. So when you want to install, if you want to install the lanyard, this silicone lanyard to it, you see this is the plastic. It's on the side there. This is information. So the lanyard like that, you put this small loop through the hole like that. And then don't twist it there, and then put this bigger part, the bigger loop through the hole again. And you have this like a lark head knot, or the cow hitch knot, like this. So this is how it would look like, and it's flexible. I think it's pretty good like that. And there is a button, so you have a button on it, and that's the battery, that's the information. That's the model number, SST S3A1. That's what it shows on the Apple Find My app. HG 12823 3 volts battery, CR 2032. Version January 2025. And keep away from children. And here is this pull tab. So I guess you could open it like this. The whole case could be opened that way. And if I remove this plastic thing, the battery now makes contact inside, and now this is powered on. The plastic, you don't need it. And if you press the button, it beeps. Don't know if there is any light on it. So one beep.